Hello students, today I am going to start a new topic and the name of the topic is Fundamental Rights and Duties. Before starting the fundamental rights, you need to know that what is the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is the soul of constitution as it leads to make a dignified and politically free nation. Just imagine, if you will not get the right to speak, right to express the profession we want, then what kind of life it will be? So, fundamental right is very important for us. When we talk about that fundamental rights, the Constitution has given this right, the fundamental rights. The right to life and liberty, we have the right to life and liberty. But the democratic country will get the fundamental rights, but the dictatorial country will not give you this right. You will not get this kind of right in the dictatorial country. So we have 6 fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. We have borrowed this idea, the fundamental rights. We have borrowed this idea from American Constitution. We have borrowed it from America, but our fundamental right is more deeper and stronger than American. Do you think that fundamental right is absolute? No, it is not absolute. It can be taken away by the parliament. During the time of emergency, if the emergency rule will be there in the country, at that time the fundamental rights can be taken by the parliament. So 3 kinds of emergency. Suppose war, then financial crisis, then president's rule. At that time, some fundamental rights are taken away. But only 2 rights, the right to life and right to liberty, cannot be taken away by the parliament. But all the rights can be taken away by the parliaments. So, our constitution lists 6 fundamental rights to Indian citizen. Number 1, right to equality. Number 2, right to freedom. Right against exploitation. Right to freedom of religion. Cultural and educational rights. And right to constitutional remedies. Fundamental duties facilitate smooth social interaction and develop a sense of responsibility among the citizens. The human rights and fundamental rights protect us. It saves us. The human rights and fundamental rights protect citizens. But along with the fundamental rights, we have some fundamental duties. And as a citizen of India, we must abide it. So, the Indian citizens have some fundamental duties. Their fundamental duties are abiding by the Constitution and respecting its ideals and institutions and national flag and the national anthem. So, as a citizen of India, it is the duty of the Indian citizen to respect the national anthem and national flag of India. Then second one, cherishing and following the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third, to uphold and protect sovereignty, unity and integrity of the nation. So, as a citizen of a country, we need to protect our sovereignty, unity and integrity of nation. Then, fourth one, defending the country and rendering the national service when called upon to do so. So, we need to render national service when it is required. Number 4, defending the country and rendering national service when called upon to do so. So, as a citizen of India, we need to render the national service for the nation. Then number 5, promoting harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all Indians. We need to maintain the common brotherhood among all the Indians. Then 6, valuing the natural environment, including land, forest, rivers, wildlife and all. So, as a citizen of India, we need to protect the natural environments like lakes, rivers, forests and all. Then number 7, developing scientific temper of humanism. and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Number 8, it's most important that safeguarding the public property. As a citizen of India, we need to safeguard the public property like the playgrounds, parks and all, roads. These all are the public property, and as a citizen of India, we need to protect it. Striving towards excellence in all spheres of individuals and collective activity so that the nation constantly rise to great heights. So, here I am going to conclude today's lecture. See you in the next class.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum honge kamyab. Jai Hind.